Hi friends, welcome to my videos. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna take you through the newly introduced forms for Excel in Office 365. So this forms for Excel is built alongside with Microsoft Forms that I have already explained in a separate tutorial. So this is an enhanced way of creating forms where the form data can be exported via an Excel file, and this is available on your OneDrive and then on your SharePoint document library. But when I say SharePoint document library, you need to make sure that as of now it is available for the modern experience sites, or in other terms you can say SharePoint groups. And it is also available in Excel Online once you open, and you can go for the forms option. So I'm going to show you how exactly you can operate. So in front of you, you see there's a document library. It is created using a modern template. So when you go to new, you have this option forms for Excel. Let's go ahead with this. So let's put a name. I'm going to put a name as test create. Now see the changes in the URL. It was in SharePoint, and when I created this forms for Excel, it has taken me to Microsoft Forms. As I said, it has been built using Microsoft Forms, or this is probably, or this something like the something you can say like this is an integrated tool between Excel and Microsoft Forms. So, okay, so my form is here and I'm gonna design it, so I can ask a question. So let's put it as a choice type. So let's say, what is your country? So you can type options. I'm gonna put only two options here. You can put as many you want. Okay, you can add another option, or you can add just a single option where you can type a test as other. And if you want to make it mandatory, make it required, or if you want to allow multiple answers, you can allow that. Second thing, text. What is your name? All right. So this is how you can add questions. Now suppose you have completed the designing of your form. You can have a preview here where you can exactly take a look how it looks. So this is how it looks when you access this form using a computer, and see the options over here. If you access the same form using a mobile device, it's gonna look like this. So as you can see, Microsoft has internally customized the look and feel of this form so that it matches with the device you try to open this. All right. Now, once it is done, the next step is to share it. And one more thing, like you see this saved here. So what happens when you design a form, Microsoft internally saves it every time you do any change. So you don't need to worry about saving and publishing. You can just take a look on the spot, and you can stop when you are actually through it. You have the option to change the themes also, or you can upload an image to create a theme also. So for this testing purpose, I guess whatever we have now is good. But just to make you understand, let me change it. So the theme has been changed. So let's have a preview now. See, this has been changed already, and you can even take a preview in the mobile view, and it looks exactly how it is supposed to be. And because I made the questions mandatory, you can see this mandatory sign here. If you remove that, this is not gonna come. For example, if I make it non-mandatory, see it's saved. Now if I preview it, this is not there. So this is how exactly it is supposed to go on. All right, so now let's see how we can share and how we can get the responses out. So when you want to share, this is the URL you're gonna share with the people. But on the other hand, you can change the option and you can make anybody, whoever has this link, to respond. So let's make it anyone with the link can respond, and let's copy it. You can email, you can link, and you can even embed this piece of code, I mean, in any SharePoint site or anything like that when you go for sharing, so that people can access this form directly from their own sites, their own environments, rather than just putting the URL and then hitting it. Alright, so this depends upon how you share it, but let's go and submit some responses. So, so I'm opening a new tab, and this is how it is coming. US, what's your name? I put Rahul, submit. Okay. Now the moment I submit a response, I have this here, and the good thing is you can also see these graphs, dashboards, and this gives you real information. Now the feature that has been added is to verify or is to get the data in an Excel file. So I have an option here, open in Excel. Before I do that, why not I submit another response? Okay, let's go. Okay, perfect. I submitted one more response, and if I go back, whoa, again, you see this is possible. All right, now as I said, we should try to open this in an Excel file. So I'm opening this in an Excel file, and let's see how it looks like. Click here. So when you click on this option, it opens this file in Excel Online, and it's gonna give you the data that has been captured. Bingo. Because we did it anonymously, so that's why we see anonymous here. And our responses are also captured here. All right. Now let's make a change. Make it only people in the organization can respond. Okay, and now copy this. So now this link is ready, and I am gonna paste, or I'm gonna select Canada, Rahul, Met. Okay, all right. So now in the dashboard, I see uh, I have got three responses. Let's see what other information has been captured, because I changed the type from anyone to only organization. So basically from anonymous to proper authentication. Look, as I said, now it has captured the information. This is how it works. But where exactly this file is stored, from where this is pulling the data? So this data is being pulled from the file we created when we were in the SharePoint library and we went for forms for Excel. So let's go and check with that. Let me see if I can bring that here. you can see it's here. So all right, I'll just take away everything. Sites slash, what was it? Test team. Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna go to the same document library to see exactly how this file looks. Oh, let's go to documents. Bungo. So this is how it works, and this was the entire process. So I hope you like this video. Make sure you put a like and subscribe, and do not forget to click the bell icon to get on time notifications of any new activities. And if you have any concern, questions, please put as a comment. Thank you.